have a problem with your underarms, well, better address it immediately, as this could give your self-esteem and confidence a blow. Pat Fernandez recently sat down with an expert on this topic she has precious tips on underarm care. Here's that interview.
We are joined in the studio by Dr. Caroline Sabili. She's a dermatologist at Skin Station. First, let's talk about irritated underarms. As I've said earlier, this is one of the most sensitive parts of our body. So what usually triggers this? Is shaving the #1 cause?
It's usually the things that we do that contribute to the darkening of the underarms. There are several things that we practice in our daily routine that makes our underarms darker. #1 is shaving or the other depilatories that we do to take out the hair from the underarms. When we try to shave it, it leaves a stubble, which makes an illusion that because the stubble, there's still the hair under the skin, so it makes an illusion of darker underarms, especially if there is an ingrown hair underneath.
So it becomes like chicken skin.
Yes. The chicken skin is the stubble. It's not actually, the hair's not really taken out from the root.
Does being overweight contribute to having dark underarms?
Yes, being overweight does really contribute to having dark underarms, since accumulation of fat on the underarms may cause friction. There's this formation of hyperkeratosis. Hyperkeratosis is thickening of the skin. Friction usually happens when we use tight clothing. We have to wear material that's not really coming in contact with the skin on the underarms. And also, we have to lose weight because since, like what I've said, being overweight and accumulation of the fat in the underarms causes friction and then eventually darkening of the skin.
I see. This is also true for women who have just given birth. So what can you suggest for those who have irritated underarms due to pregnancy or being overweight? How can we address these problems?
For pregnancy, the darkening of the underarms is usually caused by pregnancy hormones. So those pregnancy hormones, they go back to normal levels after 6 weeks after pregnancy. So pregnant women should have to wait until after 6 weeks after giving birth for them to have their underarms treated. But if they want to have other treatments like application of peeling solution like a chemical peel or any other process, if they are breastfeeding, then they will have to postpone it for some time.
So how can we prevent this? How can we address this stubble or this chicken skin?
The stubble or the chicken skin, which can usually happen after shaving, we can address it with daily exfoliation of the underarms. We take out the dead skin cells because this is also one of the causes of the darkening of the underarms.
So would it help to scrub it with coffee or with calamansi or the natural methods of doing it?
Yes, calamansi contains a natural peeling agent, which is citric acid. We can also incorporate it in our daily routine before taking a bath. We can apply it before taking the bath and then we just wash it off when we are washing. And also, we can try to exfoliate it using scrubs, natural methods, sugar. We can use sugar. The coarser, the better. But we have to do it just every 3 days, or if the coarser the material, we do it every 2 weeks. To address the ingrown hairs and the stubbles of the skin, since the major cause of it is the hair, we can do some laser hair removal for it. The hair, it's also contributory to the formation of body odor, but the body odor usually comes from the breakdown of the sweat. The sweat usually comes in contact with the hair, it stays there. So the bacteria, which is part of the normal flora of our skin, it's usually present and it loves the swampy area of the sweaty underarms.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sabili, for giving us advice this morning. So how can we reach you if ever?
You can contact us at 715-6140 or 0917-809-7691. Or you can visit our website at www.skinstation.ph